Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Madis here. So today I'm going to build this 7 plus 7 mode stereo Bluetooth speaker. These are 7-watt 4 ohm drivers, and I'm using a bass radiator to enhance the bass. So the cabinet is done, and let's focus into the electronics. For amplification, I'm using TPS 3110 Class D 15 plus 15 watt stereo channel amplifier. And Class D amps are super efficient, so best for battery powered application. For wireless connectivity, we need a Bluetooth module. It's going to receive the audio signals from your device. Now this amplifier module works between 8 to 24 volt and we need 5 volt for the Bluetooth. So I'm using a 7805 linear regulator. To power up everything, I'm going to use 3 lithium ion cells in series, which creates a 12 volt output, and these cells are rated for 2500 milliamp hour. And we also need a BMS, or the battery management system, to charge and discharge these batteries safely. Now I add one more circuit, although you can skip it. It is a 555 base latch circuit which going to turn on and off the whole circuit, and it is a TL431 based low battery indicator, and you have to manually adjust the low battery indicator circuit. So check out my previous video, you can find the link in the description box. Now I'm using one more circuit for the charging section. It's a DC to DC boost converter XL6009. This 3S lithium ion battery pack has a full charge voltage of 12.60 volt, but this kind of general purpose adapters only have a output voltage around 12 to 12.3 volt. That's why I'm using the boost converter to boost the voltage to the full charge level. Hence we can fully charge the battery with this converter, and by turning this trim pot we can adjust the output voltage of this converter. Let's plug in this adapter and check the output voltage. So it's around 12.2 volt. Now I already set the output voltage of the boost converter by turning this trim pot, and it's 12.60 volt. So now we can fully charge the battery. Let's put everything together.